All right, I'm back in the shop. I'm making some trophies for another run that we're doing, and thought I'd try to go through the process the best I can if I remember, from start to finish, how I usually make my trophies, and a lot of it's just making it on the whim. So that's what this video will be about: making trophies. All right, so the first thing I start off with for these trophies is basically a 6-inch round pipe, and I cut these plates out. I'll go ahead and tack them, and basically what I've done here. And since I don't have my plasma cutter up and running yet, I had to hand cut these round discs. So basically, I cut the round disc to whatever object I'm going to make as my base. I'll tack 4 sides, and I will take this piece and sand the edges. Now I have them tacked, and kind of finish that up. As you see, I have a gap here. I'm not too concerned about that because I'll clean this up and make it look pretty. And basically get this set up for the base. These are the odds and ends and pieces and things that I've have to make my trophies. Like an old carburetor, old speedometer out of a Honda, pistons and gears and whatever I might come up with at the time to make a cool little trophy. So anyways, I'll take you on the journey, and we'll go from there. So the next will be basically step 2. right, this is one of the bases that I have basically finished. I'll paint this a couple times over, try to make it look pretty, and I will put my plaque on there that I've got. For each one of these, I've made a separate plaque, and I would spend the money on the powder coating, but you know, it kind of gets spendy after a while. So these are just really like giveaways, have a good laugh, see somebody smile when they get it, type of trophies. So yeah, anyways, that's one base painted, and I'll show you the piece when all this is put together. Hey YouTube, this is another add to the trophies that I'm making. I think before this part, you'll see that I've already made all the bases, and now I'm actually making the actual trophy itself. So one of the trophies I'm making is this is for the most miles of a bike, and so I got a speedometer out of I believe it's a Yamaha CB750. And so what I did was, since our chapter number is 10.1, I just made 10.1, 10.1, and then 10-1. Just kind of a little like add-on. Most people probably will never recognize it or see it, but basically with this one, I just bolted the actual rod to the base, that way it's sturdy, and then I put a bolt, Allen bolt, if you can hopefully see it there, and that goes up, and then there's a nut with a washer, and that's what's holding this piece onto the actual rod itself. So that way it's super sturdy, it won't break, it won't fall. I've had some, like, I've tried to glue the pieces on, the piece fell off later on, and just trying to actually use true pieces out of bikes, pieces, parts, and so forth. And yeah, so next I'll put the cover on, and basically this will be ready to get some paint on it, and a little bracket. They made a little plaque, and should be good to go. All right. Like I said before, this is out of a it's a Yamaha 750. And I just took the faceplate off, so get all that bolted together. And basically get this thing where it's a trophy. I might add a little something more right here maybe. I'm not sure yet. Add a little love there. Basically, I just find pieces, parts, or people give me little pieces, parts, and I just figure out, okay, what do I want to make a trophy out of? Sometimes keep them simple, sometimes keep them a little bit more, and just something for a memento for people when they go to a run. They might get an actual trophy or a little piece of the run. It reminds them of having a great time. So, all right, so that's the most miles on a bike trophy. Alrighty, soon there'll be some paint, and yeah, I'll be ready to roll. All right. I want to take some video of some trophies that I made recently. It's for our annual bug run, and cool to make a quick little video. Should be a fun time. Should come out 26 August 2023. We're meeting at the American Legion in Del City, Oklahoma City. These are two more trophies that I made for the high chip, low chip, or big chip, small chip. This will be for the poker chip portion of the run for our annual bug run 2023. All right, here's the last of the trophies that I made. My brother Easy is going to be making two other ones, a hard lock one and a oldest bike one, which should be pretty killer. Break open upon onset of old ass brokenness. All right, enjoy.